Kamusta na?
Buti naisip kong mag-reunion.
Kaya
Tignan niyo
nga
muna
eh.
yung gupit ni Rose, ang ganda.
Yes.
Pamina na naman.
Teka, asan ba si Chris?
Parang
Kaya
yung
nga, wala
kasi.
ka rin.
Ano dyan lang yun? Uy! Si Chris! Dito ka lang po!
Hello.
Kamusta ka naman?
Okay naman, okay.
Di ka ba na traffic? Tagal mo.
Sorry, medyo traffic nga eh.
Sabi ko sa inyo.
Kaya pala siya na
Pero at least, di ba, safe siya nakarating.
Yeah.
That's
Guys. Namalala na ako. I'll cut to the chase. I'm getting married!
Oh my God!
Yes! Congrats, sis!
When's the big date?
Next year, of course, at invited kayong lahat.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. But enough about me. How about kayo? Kumusta naman kayo?
Ako? Kaka-promote ko lang naman to senior manager.
Oh?
Yes!
Gee, na-promote ka rin?
Yes, sis!
Well, ako naman, ito. TL na.
That's
Ahem. Guys, congrats!
Oh, Beads, ano naman ang baon mo dyan?
Wala naman masyado. Landslide lang naman yung nakuha kong boto nung nakaraang eleksyon.
Oh, Butch, di nyo kinaya yun. Lakas mo talaga, Pete.
Well,
Yes. Wait, guys.
Yes.
How about you, Chris? Ang tahimik mo dyan na.
Yeah.
What's new with you? Like,
andun ka pa rin ba, pre? Sa dati mong work, saan ba yun? Sa Timog?
What? Actually, kulang kami sa team. You want me to refer you sa HR namin?
sa amin hiring din.
No guys, I'm fine. I don't need a job. I have a business actually. A laundry business. I'm now on my 3rd branch. Yes, I decided it was time to take a chance. You know, I realized it was never too late to start something new. Alam niyo, nag-ipon ako, nag-research, and then I took the plunge.
Sandali. You have a business? Buti, hindi ka nahirapan. Di ba dati ka mahihain?
And not just one ha. 3.
Yeah.
3 businesses.
Galing. Wow. That's incredible. How did you manage to do that?
Guys, I realized if I never tried, I'd never know. Plus, seeing you all succeed gave me the push I finally needed.
Oh, yes, you're an inspiration. Without us even knowing, we're so proud of you.
I guess we all have something to learn from you.
Thank you.
This year is for taking bold risks.
To new beginnings and unexpected journeys.
Cheers! Uy, punta kayo sa laundry ko. Minsan na. Go! Kayo, kung mapapalata.